and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing my updated Mickey ear collection. I'm so excited to be doing this. I did it like about a year ago, but I have some new guys added to my collection as well as some that I've actually gotten rid of. So let's just hop right into it, shall we? I'll eventually do a Loungefly collection too, but this is where I keep most of my ears, and there's a few more up. Here is the first little stand we'll be talking about. I got these stands on Amazon, so I'll link them down below so you can get some yourself because these are so nice for holding some ears. So let's go through the first little section. To be honest with you, my ears aren't even in any specific order or like organization really, but we're just gonna go through them. Here's the first pair. These are actually some of my all-time faves. These are what I call the Cinderella blue pair. Really pretty velvety blue with like little blue sequined bow. Like, how cute are these? Definitely one of my favorites in my collection. This is the next pair, and these are the Ariel ears. They have a really pretty iridescent bow with some shell ears, as well as there's like a little mermaid floating here, and then this says on the side, mermaid hair don't care. This is one of my favorites to wear when my hair is really freshly red. Like, as you can see, my hair is kind of faded red. But these are so cute with a really nice fresh hair dye job. My next pair is one of my newer pairs, and this is the Ewok pair of ears. I love these ears. I think they're so cute. These are like little fuzzy Ewok ears. These are just super cute. I haven't actually worn them yet to the parks, but I think they're just so cute, and I think they look really cute. It's like a Star Wars Loungefly kind of moment. And yeah, my next pair are these black and gold ears. These literally still have the tag on them. They're so cute. This is one of my all-time favorite pairs, and I think I said that in my last video. These are the Alani ears. I don't even know if they have this specific ear anymore, but as you can see, there's little shells on the bow. Definitely my most comfortable pair of ears is right here. Of course, I finally picked up classic mini ears. I got these off of Mercari, just one of the places that I get my ears from. And I don't know, you just can't go wrong with a classic pair of mini ears, right? And of course, my Big Thunder ears, which these are absolutely gorgeous. These are the mini main attraction ears. Big Thunder Mountain's my favorite ride, and these ears are just stunning, and like literally, I think they represent the ride perfectly. Moving on to my next rack, these are my holiday ears. These are like the only ones I would say. So the first round that we kind of did was like my favorite ones with just classic mini ear kind of bow styles, while these are my favorite, aka these are all of like my seasonal ears. Not all of them, I have more that I'll show you, but these are the ones that I have on this rack right now, which is mostly Christmas because Christmas just passed, and then my Valentine's Day pair of ears. So these are my Valentine's Day ears. These are from Tokyo Disneyland. They're white with pink hearts, and I think I might have to wear these on Sweetheart Night. I'm going to Sweetheart Nights this year. Don't know if I'll do like a vlog. Maybe I will. I'm not really sure yet, but how cute are these ears? My holiday ears. We have these ones, which are so Christmassy, so cute. Oh, they're stunning. I think sequined ears are probably one of my top faves because I just think they're so stunning. Speaking of sequined ears, I keep these technically in my holiday ear pile, even though they're not technically holiday ears. But these are the classic green and red sequined. So we have the green, which is my favorite. Green's my favorite color. And then we have the red ones. How pretty. My friend and I wore these when we went to Disney during the holidays. She wore the red and I wore the green. And it was just so cute. It's just a cute little duo, you know? These I haven't worn yet, but I just recently got these. These are my little Mickey wreath ears. So cute. I have these sugar cookie ears. And sadly, my last pair of Christmas ears are these ones. These were my first ever Etsy ears that I've ever gotten. So cute. I used to have the black Mickey ears with a plaid bow. I'll insert a picture here of me wearing them because I lost them on my last Disney trip, and no one was nice enough to turn them in nor tell me that they fell out of my bag when we were walking. Anyway, so if you have those ears and you took them from me, enjoy them because they're so cute. Okay, this is my last little stand before we get into my box of ears that I don't really display. These are my non-bowed ears and special ears, I guess you could say. Starting off strong with the black just pleather ears. These are so perfect for just literally anything. They go with every outfit and they look so cute, so pretty. I love them. Next, we have the black sequined ears. These were the ones with the bow, and I just cut the bow off because they stopped selling just the classic black sequined ears, which I really wanted because I like plain black ears when I go, which I know is so boring considering I have like all these really cool ears, but they just go with everything, you know what I mean? So next we have my pink bubble bar ears. These are so pretty, like look at the detailing on there. I'm known for just cutting some bows off of these ears. I think they look cuter without it. These are also a very big contender for what I might wear on Sweethearts Night. Not really sure though. I have my 3D printed Hercules ears. Got these also from Etsy's. They have the Muses, Herc, and Meg on them. So pretty, my favorite movie. The next pair are my Disneyland Marquee ears. These are so pretty. I remember when these came out during COVID and I needed them. I got these on Mercari for way too much, let's just say that. My favorite pair of ears that aren't like Minnie Mouse ears are my Donald Duck butt ears. Say less. I'm the biggest Donald fan. He's my fave. And these are just everything you would need in a pair of ears and more. We'll keep these on. And then I have the Mickey high fours. These are so freaking cute. They give kind of the vibes of these ones, which I'll put back on because we're just gonna wear those for the video. But like, how cute are these? I like kind of the more unconventional ears that aren't quite ears. I just think they're a lot more fun and they're just a little more unique. Next we have my 50th ears. I cut the bow off of these as well, but look how pretty the sparkle is on these. Again, cut the bow off because that's what I do best. And my last pair of ears that are on these stands before we get into my box of ears are my Grogu ears, and these are the Loungefly ones. So these are the pleather ones. So cute. I actually haven't worn these in the park yet. I've been meaning to because they're just so freaking cute. Like, how are these not that cute? Like, these are so cute. I was gonna wear them for my birthday and then I just ended up not bringing them with me. 2 more large boxes of ears. I actually did declutter them recently, so that's another thing. I just want to mention these that are new. These came with one of my Loungefly bags that I recently got. Little hot cocoa mini Mickeys. Just want to put that out there. Moving on. We'll start with this box of ears. First off, I have a pair that I made. These are more Grogu ears I got a pair of ears during Halloween. That were like kids cut them off and put them on a headband. So I don't know, I think they're cute because they look like they're coming out of my head more and they're very comfy. The next pair we have were the yellow ones that came out, these yellow sequin ones, which I feel like were kind of a fail. I feel like these feel really cheap compared to other ears. They don't look as cute, but I honestly just couldn't pass on this really pretty pastel-y yummy yellow that they gifted us. If they re-release these, I would buy them if they're better quality because I really love this color. Champagne ears, very pretty. We have these pleathery studded ears, very cute. Gonna kind of go a little bit faster because these ones aren't my faves. I usually display my favorites. We also have these pink sequin ones that are really, really pretty. I will always and forever call these the Chanel inspired mini ears because that's what they remind me of the most. I have my other pair of Aulani ears. The few times that I've gone, I've always gone ears because I feel like, again, they're just very special there. These are my kind of Florida exclusive ones, my Figment ears. These are also super cute, I think. My friend gifted me these for my birthday a few years ago. I'm pretty sure it was my birthday. These little Gucci inspired ears. These are heavy, let me tell you. The rose gold ears, I got rid of my original rose gold and decided to keep this one. Again, I was going through my ears for a little bit and kind of selling some and getting rid of some. We have the black and gold ears, which are so pretty. We have, these ones are so cool, the Cruella de Vil ears. They're just black studded with like a chain on the side. These kind of give the vibe of my other just plain black ears. And the last one in this bucket is my Captain America custom ones from Etsy. The next basket. This basket has my Halloween ears and other specialty ears. And you'll see what I mean by specialty. So we'll start with like the one specialty item in here, which are my graduation ears. That was the one thing I've always wanted when I was little. When I graduate high school, I'm going to be getting myself some graduation ears. So I got these almost 2 years ago now. So nice. We have my Haunted Mansion ears, which these are so pretty and so detailed. We have these black sequined ones with a little candy corn bow. These ones are one of my faves. These are orange and with a like a corduroy kind of thing with a plaid bow. Again, my favorite, my all-time favorite fall ears that I didn't get to wear this year because I didn't really go during Halloween. I went during my birthday. Are these? Are these not the most gorgeous? They are a really pretty plaid with a gorgeous orange sparkly puffy bow. I'm a fan of them puffy bows. Like, don't come giving me these kind of bows. Give me these kind of bows. Big puffy bows are what I live for. I have interchangeable ones. So I have these little pink outlines that can pop into here, which are super cute. These are 3D printed. And then I have these ones which I thought were so cute. And the bow is also interchangeable. You can change out the bow, but this is the pattern that I have on these ones, and they're like little squiggly Mickey parts. That sounds weird, but that's what that is. I have a light up Star Wars pair, and I don't know where those are right now, but I have those as well. But I also have light up Mickey pumpkin, just light up. Probably some of the most uncomfortable pairs of ears you will ever wear will be these ones, but they're just so freaking cool. My last pair of ears in this basket are my Zero ears, which I haven't got a chance to wear these either, but they're super cool and just really cute Halloween ears. They don't even have to be Halloween. So those are all the ears that I have, but I do have one more basket of Disney like headwear that I wanted to show you. That does not include, I have a Mickey cap, which is like the graduation cap, but it's the Mickey version. These are my hats. We have a Cars Land hat, which, how cute. I love Cars Land, me and my boyfriend love it. We have this High School Musical Wildcats hat, this Hades hat, and on the back it says Devilishly Handsome. I have my Monsters University hat. I have my Minnie Mouse visor. We have a California Screamin' hat. How cool is that? We have my classic Minnie Mouse cap, which I've worn like once or twice. I need to bring these guys back out because they're so fun to wear. My last hat in my little basket is the Stitch hat. This is actually a child size, but my head is small enough to wear like this Stitch hat. How cute is this? Boop, boop, boop. Okay, and that is my ear collection. Those are all the ears that I can at least find. Like I said, I had those light up Star Wars ones. My mom might have them. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see me again, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. I'm thinking of maybe doing a Loungefly collection soon, so let me know if you'd like to see that, as well as any other fun Disney videos. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!